Hi, in this video, we will talk about ESIC registration. Employee State Insurance Corporation is an autonomous body created by an Act of Parliament under the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. This scheme is for Indian workers who are provided with a huge variety of medical, monetary, and other benefits from the employer. Any company having more than 10 employees who have a maximum salary of 21,000 has to mandatorily register itself with the ESIC. The advantages of ESIC registration are medical benefits. Medical benefits are given to the insured person and their family members. After death benefits. If the death of the employee happens while on work, 90% of its salary is given to its dependents every month after the death of the employee. To cover risk. The most primary advantage of the ESIC registration is that you can cover the monetary risk of your employees along with their dependents that might occur owing to ill health or their disease. To save interest. As per the Act, if the contribution by the employer is not deposited within the stipulated time, then the interest of 12% per annum is levied. There are three types of plan in ESIC registration: Basic, Composite, and Master. If you want to only register for ESI, choose the Basic plan. If you want to register for ESI and EPF, choose the Composite plan. If you want to register for ESI, EPF, along with payroll management, you can choose the Master plan. At Super CA, we provide you a convenient platform to register for ESIC registration by doing the following steps. Choose the plan. Log in to our self-help portal. Click on Continue. Fill the basic information about company and upload incorporation certificate of partnership deed in case of a partnership firm. Fill in the details of partner or director and upload the PAN card and Aadhaar card of partner or director. Fill in the details of premises like address of the business and upload the electricity bill, property tax details, etc. and click on Pay Now. Once we receive the payment, you can check your ESIC registration status under My Service tab. If the documents required for EPF registration are partnership deed or article of incorporation, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and address proof of the business. If you have any query, please contact us on 8000 90068 or you can email us at contact@superca.in.